Huh?
It's your little penguin thing.
What penguin thing? I already had that shit on, nigga.
You have 2 penguins right now.
Nigga. This is us. I don't know if you can see the storm, but this is crazy, kinda. Oh my goodness, my face is freezing. This is the overshot. This is how tall it is. This is my foot, and this is the hole. Look at this guy. There shouldn't be anybody else out here besides us, to be totally honest with you. But of course, we might find a white person or two, guaranteed. They don't got no sense. Look at this nigga here. See, no roads. And this is about good 6-7 inches of snow. I told you to find somebody here. Look at this chick up here. Got no sense with an umbrella like that. Shit's gonna help. Alright, we're gonna go in the heart of the storm right now. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my goodness! This is it. Oh, this shit hurts.
You can't even feel it.
Yo, I don't know if I can hear the wind, but there's an idiot driving his car. I'm glad he's going for this shit. I will make it. This is the only dudes driving right now. Well, this is my apartment window. Not much of it as you can see. Let's keep on. Oh shit. Yeah, let's keep on going. Oh, there's a thug. There comes a thug. He's a gangster. He got a hoodie on. Oh shit. This wind, wow, the winds are so flipping cold. It feels like you're getting slapped. Look at this guy, he can't wait. He can't wait. Oh crap, yo, the bus is still running. Carlton, the store is still open?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. Yeah, we about to cop some ice cream. Yeah, we said it, ice cream. Yeah. Oh, my face. This is just OD. Anyway, now we safe. This is what it looks like. What do you buy?